Real estate agents and mortgage brokers, welcome. My name is Dale Guiducci. I'm with ERA Credit Services, and I've got something for you today in this video that if you have clients that are coming to you, or prospects that are coming to you that don't have the credit score to be able to qualify for a mortgage, and you just don't know what to do with them, and maybe you've tried some things in the past that just haven't worked in order to get them to the point where they are qualified, I've got something for you today that a lot of real estate agents and mortgage brokers around the country are taking advantage of. This can be a game changer today because I'm going to share with you how to add credit repair to help you sell more homes. I'll be right back. So welcome back. Dale Guiducci again, ERA Credit Services. So in the past, you may or may not have thought of or actually gone through the process of referring your credit challenge clients to a credit repair company. And if you haven't, then you may not have because you weren't aware that's a possibility. If you have, you may have been frustrated with the results or lack thereof that you've gotten from these credit repair companies, or that the credit repair company did not keep you abreast or keep you informed of what's happening with the client. And you may not even think that credit repair works, right? So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to overcome all of that for you, number one. But I want to talk to you about what we do and how we can help you get more qualified buyers in your pipeline. So the first thing to understand, please, before I get into the details and overcome those challenges that I just mentioned, is that if you want to just refer your credit challenge clients to us, we're happy to have you do that. We'll take excellent care of them. I'll tell you a little bit about our program versus other companies here in just a second. But really what this is about is an opportunity for you as a real estate agent or broker to actually become part of our company and actually start a little side business to complement your real estate business and take good care of these credit challenge clients where you could have more ownership of the client, stay in touch with what's going on with the client, certainly put some money in your pocket for offering the service directly, but then also, again, the biggest thing is to have more of these credit challenge clients become qualified buyers. So the first question, right? Does credit repair really work? You might have that question, right? You may not have experienced it before and know much about it. Maybe you just know what you've read and what you've heard. Does credit repair really work? Well, the answer is yes and no. And I guess more definitively, it does sometimes. Now, why is it yes or no or sometimes? Because it goes to the knowledge of the credit repair process in federal law revolving around the credit repair or credit reporting process, right? So what it's all about is that if a consumer has what's called an obsolete item, an item that's older than 7 years, we can get that off because we have federal law behind that. That's not an issue at all. And that's whether the item is paid or unpaid. If it's been on there for 7 years and there's been no activity for that period of time, that item needs to be removed. Federal law. The other type of item is an erroneous item, an item that is on a credit report that doesn't have the correct information, all the way from not having a correct account number all the way to the point of being on someone's account. It's not even their account. It's somebody with a similar or same name, but not their account. Those are erroneous items. We can definitely get those either updated to reflect accurate information or get them removed entirely. The issue comes in when we're trying to challenge an item that really did happen within the last 7 years and is not an erroneous item. There's nothing wrong with the listing of the item. It really did happen. So in that case, the only way, now please understand about credit repair, the very narrowly defined service or function of credit repair, which is to remove derogatory items. The only way to get an item that really did happen within the last 7 years off of a credit report is to go ahead and challenge it. And then when the credit bureau contacts the creditor either comes back and says, yes, it's that person's item, in which case it's not going to be removed, or the creditor doesn't care about the item anymore and for whatever reason doesn't respond to the credit bureau, and that item therefore by law must be removed. Now, when that item gets removed, there's some success there. But we can't guarantee that going in. Right now, we've had a lot of success with getting those types of items removed because in a lot of cases, depending on the age of the account, what type of an account it is, the balance of the account, so many different factors, the creditor doesn't care anymore and therefore doesn't respond. But there's no guarantee. Now, if you've had clients, if you've had experience with credit repair companies in the past, and maybe you're for yourself personally, or again, for clients, maybe the items didn't come off. And it was because they had the types of items or the types of creditors or the types of balances or the age of the account where the creditor wasn't going to give up on that just yet. They were going to respond to the credit bureau. And that's where the frustration comes in from consumers and real estate agents who refer consumers to a credit repair company when items don't get removed, okay? But understand, credit repair is the function, again, of removing derogatory items. Now, when a derogatory item gets removed, that affects payment history. That one piece of a credit score, which is only 35% of a credit score. There's another 65% that make up that credit score. And the difference between the way we work and any other credit repair company out there that I know of, and there's 81,000 companies in the United States, and I certainly don't know all 81,000, but I know all the ones that you know, the Lexington Laws, the Sky Blues, the Ovations, the Pyramid Credits, and on and on and on. Those kinds of companies and a lot of the local sort of mom and pops that do credit repair. And that's all they do is try to remove negative items. Well, I'm here to tell you that we do that, and we do it very, very well, and we've been doing it since 2004. In fact, we've helped over 1 million people in the last 16 years. Think about that. That's a lot of folks, right? We've got some experience here. We've helped 1 million people increase their credit score. But we have other ways beyond just removing negative accounts, right? There's 30% of a credit score is amounts owed. Well, we've got ways to help people reduce their amounts owed through an online debt payoff system and other things. And you can go to our website. I'll put a link in the description here, and you can read my blog post about this that goes into more detail about the kinds of services that we have. But amounts owed, 30%. Length of credit history, 10%. A new mix of credit, 10%. And so we round out the whole 100% of a credit score, and credit mix is another 10 or 15%, but it comes out to 100% of a credit score. We've got rent reporting tools. So if you have a first-time home buyer, renter, individual or couple that rent a home, we can put their rental payments going back up to 2 years on their TransUnion and Equifax credit report. That's going to affect credit mix, it's going to affect new credit, and it's going to affect credit history all in one felt swoop, and get and 24 months of it now, and get them a really nice boost in their credit score. We've got secured credit card programs. We've got education for people to share with them things like if they have credit card balances that are 30% or more of their limit, that's affecting their credit score. Just paying that down to 30% is going to give them a boost in credit score. So we take a holistic approach. We look at the whole approach of an individual, or the whole situation of an individual, and we ask them about the negative stuff. We ask them about the positive stuff. We ask them about their credit habits, and we work on the whole thing. So how does this affect you as a real estate agent or a real estate broker? Well, again, you can simply refer your credit challenged clients to us, and that's wonderful. We love that, of course. And we'll call them up and we'll go through the process with them and hopefully get them into our program and hopefully get them to the point where they can qualify with you. But this is also an opportunity where you can become an independent agent, right? It'd be very much a part. This is full-time, and this is a big career, a full-time career, very professional career for a lot of us. I've been doing this for 8.5 years as we're filming this video right now. I started in 2012, both my wife and I. We've got a national business. We do about $1 million a year in business. I mean, this is a big market. This is a serious business. You don't have to take it that big, right? This can be just for your credit challenge clients, the 1 or 2 people a week or whatever the number is that you have. You simply take about 20 minutes of your time and you call them up. You've got to tell them they can't qualify. Whether you found out through the mortgage broker or some other way, you got to let them know they can't qualify. You call them up and you fit them into our program, and we teach you how to do it. We've got a script and some videos that you need to watch just to educate yourself on what it is that we do and the credit repair process and so forth. But not very complex, not very time consuming. You take that client, you enroll them into our system by putting in their information, you hit the submit button, and our staff goes to work for you, right? You're not doing the credit repair. We've got a staff that pulls credit, analyzes credit reports, drafts dispute letters, sends the client out an online portal with all these other services that they can take advantage of to help improve their credit score. So it takes about 20 minutes of your time. And you have online reporting. And you actually have online reporting even if you just refer the client to us as well. But you certainly have it if you're going to become the independent agent. Now, what's the advantage of being an independent agent? Well, first of all, income, right? That's the obvious. You're going to get clients pay a $99 account activation fee plus their first monthly payment of $89. It's a total of $188 to start and $89 a month for as long as they're on service. Our average client is 6 months, right? So out of that $188, you get $100. Okay? It's $100 the following Thursday. We get paid every single week. So you get that $100. And then out of the $89 a month, you get $12 a month. Clients on service, an average of 6 months, you're going to make about $150, $160 per client. It's not a lot of money, but it's more money than you're making right now. That's number one. Number two, you get to keep track of all these clients, right? So they're your client. You can be looking in your what we call your back office or your business office and see what's going on with your client and call them from time to time. Stay in touch with them from time to time. Develop and continue that relationship that you've built so that when they do get that qualifying credit score, there's no one else that they're going to turn to but you because you helped them. Right? So that's another huge advantage, obviously, is to sell more homes. But you know what you can do, and what a lot of our real estate agents do that work with us, is they use the fact that they can help credit challenge clients in their marketing, right in their marketing, and they draw a lot more people to them. So is there a cost involved? Well, if you're just going to refer clients to us, no, there's no cost whatsoever. But if you're going to become that independent agent and earn income and have all these other benefits, a couple of things of note. There is a cost, yes. So what does it cost? It's a one-time $199 agency fee. You pay that once. Now, for that, you get the program in terms of you can sell all the services to clients and the online reporting and some of the training, the very minimal training that you'll need to do just that piece. You'll get that. You'll get direct access to me, my wife Shirley. We're both vice presidents with the company. Again, 8.5 years of experience and so much more, right? So you certainly do get that piece. And then it's a monthly payment on your part of $89 a month. $89 a month. Now for that, you get all the services yourself. So you're going to get all the services that we offer. Maybe you could use the boost in your credit score. Maybe just by utilizing some of these services and getting in and watching some of the tutorial videos on the services that your clients would see as well, you're going to learn more about how to actually sell the services, the value of the services. It's just going to make you better. But obviously you can use the services for your own financial gain as well. Now you only pay that $89 a month until you have 5 clients. Once you have 5 clients into the system, there's virtually no other cost to you. So theoretically, if you were to get started within the first 30 days, you got yourself 5 clients, your total cost of business would be the $199 plus the first monthly payment of $89 for a total of $288. $288, less than $300. You're in the credit repair business, so to speak, just to help your credit challenge clients. Now, let's say, and we've had agents do this, right? They get into the business for the reason I just told you, but they go, wow, this is pretty incredible. And there's a lot of other real estate agents I know, mortgage people that I know, people in the community I know that need this. I want to expand this business. Because with our company, you can do this all over the country. So your kind of your space opens up quite a bit to be anywhere in the 50 states and U.S. territories. So you may want to expand your business. Well, if at that point you want to do that, absolutely, we're available to you and support you as we've been before. But now we're going to talk about a different level of this business. But let's not go there just yet. The reason for this video was just to talk to you about how you could help your credit challenge clients and basically just build your pipeline of qualified buyers. So if this sounds of interest, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a link to the blog post on our website in the description of this video. You can go and read that for sure. But if you want details of our business opportunity, and this sounds interesting to you, you got to invest about an hour, right? So what's the hour for? Well, first of all, we want you to watch a detailed business overview video, and that's going to give you a lot of the details. You might have some questions rolling around in your head right now. I get that. This 30-minute video is going to answer all those questions for you. And then right below, and I'll put a link in there. You can watch it on YouTube. I'll put a link to the page on the website in the description as well, where you can go and see it on the website. It's probably better that you do that. You have a lot more resources there. But I'll put both links. Once you watch the video, okay, now book a phone appointment with us. Pick a time, day and time that works for you, works for your schedule. We'll get on the phone together. You'll be talking to me, my wife, one of our very successful credit repair business owners, people that are doing this, right? They're in the field every single day, working with clients and so forth. So you'll talk with one of us and you'll get all your questions answered. You can ask us, hey, how does this work? What happens when? What happens next? Get everything, get all the information that you need. And understand, we're not here to sell you on this business opportunity at all, right? What we're here to do is provide you with information just so you can make an informed decision, because we know that what we have is so good that just because you may not be interested in it, I'm not going to sell you on it, right? I'm going to go talk to somebody else that is interested in it, right? Because it's a great program. We have real estate agents that started just like I'm talking about and have built a significant, like I'm talking serious money. Go to our blog post. I talk about a specific EXP real estate agent that did this, but significant income from doing what I'm talking about, right? So there's no need for us to try to sell you this. So don't feel intimidated to set that appointment. We're just going to talk, have a conversation, find out a little bit about you, let you find out about us, and then you can make an informed decision. So there you have it. Real estate agents, mortgage brokers, a great opportunity for you to help your credit challenge clients. Right now, where are they going? Who knows, right? You'll never see them again. Help your credit challenge clients, at least a good significant portion of them, become qualified buyers. Build your pipeline, use these services to market and get more people to you and sell more homes. If we could help you through this program, sell 3 or 4 or 5 more homes this year, wow, right? That's a lot of money in your pocket and a lot more people that you and we have helped throughout the course of the year. So we're excited to offer it to you. We're excited to talk to you about it. Again, if you're interested, go click the link, go watch the detailed overview video, book a phone appointment, and we'll talk from there. You guys have a great rest of your day. And hey, who knows? We may be talking to you and we may be working together. Take good care. Bye now. Top is up.